So I was tagged in a video by the Mumford Mob, and I'm gonna just add it to the giveaway. So it was a Thanksgiving tag, and I will post the winner for the Greco pan in this video. So make sure you stick around, and it might be you. So let's see. 1 second. So I want to film this outside, but it is so loud. We are traveling right now from obviously California to Dallas. My parents are here for the game, and we rented a 12-passenger van, and it has been a lot of adventures and just lots of driving. So yesterday we went to, or 2 days ago, we went to Waco, and we are in Dallas today because we stopped at Waco today. It's closed on Sundays, and got some cupcakes. So we have some treats for pretty much all week, but Thanksgiving included. Anywho, the first question in this Thanksgiving tag is, what is your favorite Thanksgiving side dish? And for me, I really like the green bean casserole with like the fried onion flakes all around. My mom makes it really good. I'm not sure we're gonna have it this year, but we did pick up green beans today, so who knows, it might happen. Second, what is your favorite Thanksgiving dessert? She turned me on to the pumpkin cheesecake from Costco. We actually picked it up today. They were out of pumpkin pies, but I love that, and pecan pies. They are just so good. And I like having like a variety of desserts. So there's usually several desserts in our little dessert stash. Usually it's more than the food, which is funny. The next question is, what does your ideal Thanksgiving look like? What does your ideal Thanksgiving outfit look like? So if you watched my video from last week, you know what I wore last year. Usually I just like coordinating with the boys, and last year it was just something that fit, but I do like dressing up, and for photos I do wear heels. Typically I did not pack any for this trip, but I did bring an outfit that is coordinating with theirs, so we can also like look just a little cohesive together in the portrait. But I love like dressing up, curling my hair. I usually have my hair down that day, and I curl it. I did not bring a curling iron this year just to like lighten the load in packing, but that's usually I've trained Michael that it's a photo opportunity. So though at like any big holiday or even just like special occasion, birthdays, or just us getting out since COVID happened, I like just getting ready, and I just think it's fun. Okay, so question 4, what is your least favorite Thanksgiving dish? Honestly, I don't have one because I feel like I've eaten everything, and there hasn't been something that I haven't liked. I do like to introduce like a new Thanksgiving side dish every year. So I've done like Brussels sprouts with bacon some years, or like a variety thing with, I think it was Brussels sprouts and some kind of squash. It was like a really colorful blend, and I just had so much fun making that, but also just filling, like it was so yummy. I want to say it was a little on the sweet side. I think it had like brown sugar in it, but it was super yummy, like very tasty. The next question is, what do you like most about Thanksgiving? Honestly, as a kid, I loved Christmas more because I just felt like it was all about the gifts, and I knew it was about Jesus, but like I loved getting presents, so I didn't know what the purpose was for Thanksgiving. But as I've gotten older, I've just really appreciated Thanksgiving and just being thankful for the little things and the big things. And my hand's getting tired because I don't have a tripod, but I haven't worked out, so that's a good workout, holding a phone in front of you. But honestly, I just really enjoy just after this year. If you've seen our testimony video, like Michael's not with us on this trip this year because he's working, but that's a blessing, and I'm so thankful for that. But that's honestly like like the whole family aspect of spending time together, making memories, playing games. Yeah, so that's a little bit of a nutshell of it. Let's see. What do you enjoy doing after your meal? Typically I am either helping clean up, or getting the boys down for a nap, or just something that is along those lines. I can't just take a nap like I used to when I was single or without children. So that has changed. However, if they go down, I might go down this year. So that'd be super awesome and needed, because we're still like a little bit on California time. And you know, time change right now is 6:49, and I feel like I'm still operating on California time. Okay, favorite memory of Thanksgiving. Honestly, like, I have to say, like, the year that my grandma passed away, I didn't know she was obviously gonna pass away in 2015, but those pictures, I always look back at them and I really cherish the memories that we made. And I think that's why like holidays and like events are so important to me, and like I want to take pictures, because you don't know when it's going to be your last. But just knowing that that was her last Thanksgiving, I really just cherish those memories that we made that Thanksgiving, from watching the Macy's parade to playing with my grandpa and his hat, and just making her laugh, and taking silly pictures with her, and having her and my grandpa pose for pictures, even though I doubt they wanted to do it. But I love those things. And the last question is, what are you thankful for? And I kind of touched on it, but honestly, God has blessed us so much this year. And I just feel like after watching Hagee's sermon on Sunday online, and also another church, I watched another service because we were off schedule. But anyways, God has blessed us so much, and he's given us so much grace. I'm thankful for the community that I've built here, and just I appreciate your guys' comments. I appreciate you guys caring about what's going on with me, and reaching out on Instagram and everything, as well as people just asking about what our needs are. I feel like in this season it's been a little rocky, but like in my community that I live in, I feel like generosity has just really blown my mind of how kindness and all that stuff has just like branched out, and like you don't realize who's gonna be touching you or where you're gonna be led when you get in situations like that. But there were places that we went to, like the pregnancy center and other things, that allowed us to just get the help that we needed during this season. And I'm so thankful for his job. I'm thankful for my husband and my family and my kids. And yeah, this road trip has definitely been exhausting, but it's been so much fun, and just making these memories with my littles and my mommy and stepdad. So thank you for watching, and if you want, give it a boomsies, and let's go on to this winner. So I did a drawing. I will put the winner right here. I'm super excited for you. You've been like a follower since like the beginning of my YouTube journey, way back when I first started. So thank you so much, and just reach out to me on my email. I will have it linked. I'll have it in the description box below, and I will have it sent out to you. So I hope that y'all have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and just enjoy this time, this season, and until next time, y'all. Bye.